people, so today after long I'm doing a recording in the evening because basically when I have these cute little rabbits with me, so life gets very busy with them actually, cleaning their cage and all of that.
His name is Sleepy.
And this one is, yeah, she's sleeping.
This
So
guy is Sleepy.
yeah, rabbits are supposed to be crepuscular, which means they sleep in the dawn and dusk. But basically, they're sleeping all day. That's my observation of them. But yeah, they do sleep literally 10 to 14 hours a day. So, so really, people. So that's what anyone who's looking to keep rabbits, I think they are the most adorable
This is
pets.
this is
Ayush, why do you like rabbits more than other pets? Do you like rabbits? Which is your favorite kind of pet?
Tiger.
Tiger. And we will donate you to one tiger sanctuary, and it'll eat you for breakfast, me for lunch. And this, tigers can eat rabbits also. But really, so this video is going nowhere, but I wanted to make it because it's with my superstar. And so
Please don't
random videos I like making. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.